Right, good afternoon guys. Jerry again, doing Bushcraft, and I'm off out with this fine gentleman.
Don't say fine.
Raymondo. And we're meeting Deano, which can only mean one thing. We're in Ashover and we're off to the Bushcraft Forest. So, let's get going, Ray. Heavy bags, because of the beer and all that kind of stuff, but it's worth it. We'll see you up there. Telling you that was a very hot and quite tough walk up, to be honest. I'm not coming that way from woods for ages, but yeah, it is good to be back. Place is looking awesome, ain't it? There's a nice covering of leaves as we're just in the start of autumn, so the leaves are starting to fall. Yeah, I'm going to rearrange a few bricks and make a nice fireplace, because this is quite a last minute decision to come up here, so time's ticking. It's about 5 PM now, so I think get the shelters up, fireplace sorted, firewood, and then we can relax with some nice food and a beer. Yeah, we're going to be joined by Deano later, and also his mate Stevo, who, when we used to camp up here as kids and onwards, years ago, 15 years ago at least, yeah, Stevo used to come with us all the time, so it'll be good to have Stevo with us. Right, catch you in a bit. Who is that we spy in the distance? Deano! How goes it, dude?
Alright.
You've...
Thank God work's over.
Yes.
That's all I'll say.
I got out of overtime today, but unfortunately... I
couldn't get out of it.
couldn't get out of it.
I cut out early.
Nice.
Boom. They open bloody Tesco's everywhere nowadays, don't they?
And as some might have seen in the previous vids, the Paul Prep Nomad modded hammock system. Obviously it puts lots of loops in, so I can really got the option to go in trees really quite far apart. Double fisherman's knot there in a loop on the end of the hammock, and a carabiner, and just select me loop point to adjust the height. Still really chuffed with that, Paul. Thank you, mate.
That He-Man.
As always guys, the original and best fireman's gloves, gifted to me by Marcus, Woodsman OCD86. They come with me on every single trip. Handling hot pots out of the fire, gathering firewood, sawing, using knives, everything. Just good old trusty, reliable gloves. Now, I've took the advice off Craigle Bushcrafter and stopped carrying tent pegs. So the only pegs we use now are bush pegs. So I need to find some suitable, fairly thick twigs and fashion some. And Raymondo is in the British Army MTP basher and British Army bivvy bag. Quite a nice shelter because it's not going to rain tonight. It's been a beautiful day, so it'll be dry anyway. Could probably do it without the tarp, but and then just the other side, Stevo can chuck his bivvy bag down there. And Deano is going over there in his hammock. He can't set his tarp up yet, obviously. And firewood time. thing to be outdoors. Couldn't ask for better weather. And always good to be back up at the Bushcraft Forest with Deano and Ray, where it all began. And like I said, even better to be joined by Stevo as well, so the old gang back together. Yeah. It's early autumn now. Like I said, autumn, well, I've said before in videos, autumn is my favourite season, so there's too many autumn camps. Not just up here, but for this one, a relatively last minute thing. Yeah, good to be back up here. Good to see the woods looking so good. No rubbish, no nothing being treated how it should be. Awesome. I'll come back down here now and rejoin the lads. Ray's on the firewood mission. He won't be happy until we've got about 18 tons of firewood, and he may let us light the fire at about 3 in the morning, possibly. He's a stickler for a perfect wood supply and a late fire. I'm going to start it now. Let's go. Ray, I was just wondering whether we could light the fire.
I don't think so, mate.
What time will we be lighting the fire?
Let's see. So just before we go to bed, say 2 minutes, then. Maybe 1:45.
1:45.
If we're lucky.
If we're lucky.
When I say it, alright?
And there's my setup, look. Arctic bag. It's still quite warm for the Arctic bag, but I haven't gone under blanket, so it's needed. And obviously representing a rat pack. Hope we'll be out in the camp with the lads soon. This is definitely my favourite tool at the minute. The replica British Army machete. So sharp, it's unreal. Makes chopping the firewood nice and easy. Yeah, Ray, get going, lad.
To your neck. It's a Jay's favourite tool apart from mine. Tool, that is.
You are a tool.
Right, get some work done.
The bar is open, guys. And as always, we always like to eat well. Some nice burgers and sausage, some steak. We've even got some skewers to make some kind of peppers, mushroom and onion kebabs. Yeah, can't wait to tuck into all that. Not just me, obviously, that's for everyone. Look at these, just the job. We don't normally think to do this, do we? But I mean, not.
Lovely. Another one.
Beautiful, can't wait to try them.
Mushroom at the bottom there. I just broke that one, so I'll eat that one in a minute.
Eat it anyway.
Yeah. So nice chunk on there.
Beautiful.
Bit of onion next.
There's a fireplace, as always, handcrafted by Raymond himself.
Thank you.
Obviously the piles of wood, different stages. All the big stages there when we've collected it. 4 seats. It's like good old times, mate, this.
Yep.
It's good. Loving it.
Can't beat it. And do not work though.
You are doing not work. Hey, I'm doing the kebabs.
As usual. Oh yeah, I forgot you're walking around with a camera.
I can hear a drone. Think you can see us?
I bet you can. You might spoil it for
Right, I think that might be a cue for us to run to the cliff edge, so we're going. Go, right, go.
It's like you've ruined the shot.
We're nearly there, we're nearly there. It's like I told you to wait at the cliff. He didn't actually, did he?
No.
Oh, that's some telepathy stuff. How do we know he wanted us to stand here? It's another way of me sneaking in a shot of the famous cliffs as well, the view. It's that time.
Good stuff. Feels like heaven.
Dino's just filmed some drone sequences and he's going to finish setting us. He's in there, the DD hammock.
Trying to cram as much in as possible.
Yeah.
Trying to cram an expensive drone in a 10p carrier bag.
Yeah.
At least I'm not cheaping out and using a 5p
Hey,
one. You know
that's
what I mean?
covert, mate. That's covert. No one would think there's a drone in there. Why not? Oh, I can't believe we just missed that. Oh. Ray's just nearly decapitated himself with a guy line.
As well. The Ray-Bans, you know.
Just missed that.
Oh, God. Thanks for laughing anyway.
Sorry, mate.
It was funny.
Just can't go to the Bushcraft Forest without a nice little view of the old spider tree. It's about 7 o'clock now. It's a lot lighter in this open area. Just awaiting Stevo's arrival now. And that'll be all of us. Ray's even on about giving permission to light the fire in a minute, so he must be feeling in a good mood. Right, so the fire has been lit. Permission has been granted. Sorry about blinding you. Yeah, it's all good. Good to be back up here chilling by the fire. It has dropped a little bit cold, but got the old hoodie on, warming by the fire. Dean's enjoying some, well, he was enjoying some wine. He's nailed it. It's gone.
It's got to put it down.
Ray there looks like an American trucker.
Rock on.
All's good in the world. And check this, guys. We're being joined by the legend that is.
Yeah, watch up.
Stevo, watch the guy lies, dude. How are you, man?
How's it going?
Stevo's here. Look at him.
Whoa,
That's bright. Awesome. The burgers are on. Ray's famous sausages to follow shortly, I think. Nice crispy bacon. And Ray's fobbed me off with the cooking duties tonight. I was like,
I'm having a rest tonight. I'm sick of doing it, mate, if I'm honest. It won't be as nice as what I cook, but...
So basically I set his shelter up for him, get all the firewood,
Oh,
cook his bacon.
Yeah. He's slacking, mate.
Time to eat it for you as well.
Blend it for you, you can drink it.
Getting brand off for you, Peter. That's all he cares about these days, that bloody beer.
I want to swear then, but not low myself due to his belief.
Dino's blowing again.
Blowing the sausage. I make a living from this.
Tonight's condiments out of ration packs, a mini Tabasco, and a questionable looking hot diggity dog sauce. We've just had a round of the old kebabs we made earlier. Quite nice. Dino's got some more on. You can never have enough grills, can you? Look at that. Right, then it'll be time to stoke the fire up, I think, shortly. Now the steaks are on, Ray's back in control.
Yeah, doing it properly.
Even Stevo's a professional chef. Ray's doing his best.
He's keeping his beady eye on me, look.
He's like, it's okay, you're doing all right.
Coaching me.
Yeah. You look nice, mate, to be honest. It don't take.
Oh, no.
Wait, go do it again.
Off. Wait till next week. Oh no, changed it.
Just do whatever. You see, he has not even had that many beers. He's already busted out his 80s moves. Oh, I'm gonna get a copyright strike for this music.
I know.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah.
Right, guys, that is one awesome fire, and I think that is going to do us for tonight. When that burns down, it is time for bed, lads. It's been awesome. Stevo. It's been wicked, man. And it, speak.
Junglist crew.
Yeah, we've just been having a tune-off. We've all been playing as individual favourites from back in the day when we used to be old school ravers, would you believe? Anyway, that's enough of that. That's for a different time, a different story.
Right about now, we're gonna step up inside the next DJ.
Right then, guys, that is it. What an awesome night. Dino, how good has it been, man?
It's been average.
It's been cool, hasn't it?
It's been good.
Yeah, it is certainly. The fire's burnt out anyway. It's time to hit the hay. And we'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning. How are we, chaps? Good night's sleep?
Yeah.
Ray looks broken.
Good night, sleep, like
And Dean's all good. Yeah, it was awesome night. Right, that's it, guys. All packed away. Leaving no trace. Dino's almost packed. Stevo is packed, and we're just waiting on this young gentleman.
Someone in its first.
We just had a bit of a drama. He lost his wallet, but he's found it now, so it's all good.
Found it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Where was it?
I put it in the pillowcase.
I'm filming that at all. Oh, good. You're right, dude.
Now we're coming for, wasn't it?
Right, that is it for another one, guys. Back in Ashover. It's a beautiful morning, nice little walk down that way. Lads, it was a cracking time, wasn't it?
Good time.
Yeah, really enjoyed it. Right, if you watch this far, as always, thank you very much. Hopefully be out again in a couple of weeks. And I'll leave you with some photos and possibly a clip or two from last night. We'll see. See you in a bit.
Ready? Let's get going again. Don't record this. You ready? Again, we'll start again. Ready? This is one for the remix.
About the animals, House of the Rising Nun, or S Club 7, and Preach for the Stars.
This is what really goes on at Bushcraft.
And we've also got horse suggestions here.
Look at the hindquarters. Fuck! It's took a turn for the. Well, it's got weird, hasn't it? It has gone weird, hasn't it, Steve?
It's gone crazy. Oh yeah, grind that shit.
Oh, I've lost of focus. It's all gone crazy. Oh, yeah.